Hello and welcome to InsideWi-Fi, video 42. Subcarrier arrangement in 802.11ac 160 MHz channel. Let's visualize how subcarriers are structured in 802.11ac 160 MHz channels. Unlike 40 MHz or 80 MHz channels, two 80 MHz channels are bonded side by side for 802.11ac 160 MHz channels. Total subcarrier allocation for 802.11ac 160 MHz channel are 512, which constitutes data subcarriers, pilot subcarriers, guard subcarriers and null subcarriers. The subcarrier spacing for a 160 MHz 802.11ac channel is 160 MHz divided by 512 equals 312.5 kHz. Data subcarriers. Data subcarriers are responsible for transmitting the user data. Each data subcarrier carries a portion of the total data being sent over the wireless channel. There are 468 data subcarriers in 802.11ac 160 MHz channel with indices at -250 to -130, -126 to -6, 6 to 126 and 130 to 250 excluding 16 pilot subcarriers. Pilot subcarriers. Pilot subcarriers are used for channel estimation and synchronization between transmitter and receiver. Pilot subcarriers carry specific training sequences and certain data demodulation. There are 16 pilot subcarriers in 802.11ac 160 MHz channel with indices at -231, -203, -167, -139, -117, -89, -53, -25, 25, 53, 89, 117, 139, 167, 203 and 231. Null or DC subcarrier. Null or direct current subcarriers are used for identification and are located at the center of each 80 MHz channel. The center subcarriers provide a distinctive notch which can be easily detected by a receiver to begin synchronization. There are 6 DC subcarriers in 802.11ac 160 MHz channel at the indices -129, -128, -127, 127, 128 and 129. These subcarriers are inactive, guard subcarriers. The first 6 and the last 5 subcarriers per 80 MHz channel totaling 22 are guard subcarriers used to reduce interference from adjacent channels. A guard subcarrier carries no data. These subcarriers are not modulated and remain inactive or null and act as insulation for nearby transmitters that are using consecutive, non-overlapping channels. The guard subcarriers in 802.11ac 160 MHz channel are at indices -256 to -251, -5 to -1, 0 to 5 and 251 to 255. In our next video, let's see Wi-Fi generations, Wi-Fi 1 through 7. Thank you for watching.